crashing down all around this empty town.
Welcome back to my channel, ladies and gentlemen, all my dope girls and dope boys. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for following me. I just want to give a shout out to all of you guys. I really appreciate all the love you guys show me off on Instagram to YouTube to Snapchat.
I want to keep on saying thank you so much, everybody. Thank you.
I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for your endless support. So today we are going to be talking about 8 tips for healthy hair growth. As you guys know, for those of you that have already watched my channel, you guys know healthy hair is good hair. Period. Poo. End of story. So,
okay,
you guys, I am, as much as you guys know, I love my wash and goes. I love that you guys love when I post my wash and goes. I would be doing a disservice to you guys if I did not talk about the health of the hair. I know you guys love when I do my wash and goes, but I don't just get my wash and goes because I don't take care of my hair. I get my wash and goes the way that they are because I do take care of my hair. So I want you guys to do the same thing. I want you guys to fall in love with your hair as much as I'm in love with my hair. And because you guys need to know you also have beautiful, beautiful hair. Okay, so first, knowledge when it comes to your hair. Meaning hair porosity, your hair's likes and dislikes, your hair density. These things really matter. If you have a fine strand, a medium strand, heavier strand of hair, then you need to know that, okay? I definitely know that now that I know my hair is low porosity, I have medium density and my hair strand is fine. That aids me in so many things. It aids me when I deep condition. It aids me when I'm shopping for product, especially the low porosity. There's certain ingredients that you want to have in your hair products, and that's one thing that I wasn't necessarily paying attention to. And so the more I learn about my hair, the more I'm learning what my hair likes. Okay, so knowledge when it comes to your hair is the first step. Cleansing properly. I will go ahead and link a video above. I talked about cleansing properly in my how to tame your curls video. So if you guys have not watched that video, I would definitely recommend watching that, and I will explain a lot more in there. In that video, you want to make sure that your hair is not collecting too much buildup. Point blank simple. So that's why you need to cleanse. Okay. Third, deep conditioning at least once a week. I talk to you guys about this all the time. It's very, very imperative that we are giving our curls, especially the tighter curl that you have, the more nutrients it needs. And especially for me, since I have low porosity, it's hard for my hair to also get moisture in, but also retain the moisture. So I usually do hot oil treatments twice a month, and my hair has been loving me for it. And I also deep condition once a week. Like, no hesitation, I do it once a week. I find time to do it because my hair needs that moisture. Our hair needs moisture in order to survive. Think about a plant. Your hair is a living organism, so you need to treat it with love. You need to water it, you need to nurture it, and it will love you back. Okay? Being mindful of ingredients. This is a big one because certain ingredients that are found in products, for instance, most silicones, what they do is they block your hair shaft and your hair cuticle, and product cannot get into your hair because that's what we call product buildup. Okay, so that's just an example. When you have product buildup, your hair cannot get moisture, it starts breaking from the ends. Okay, so silicones, I typically avoid silicones. There's a few things I use with silicone in it, but if I do use that product, I probably use it twice a month, probably once a month, to be honest with you. And then I definitely make sure that I cleanse my scalp efficiently. I typically would use a shampoo, sulfate free, just to really make sure that that product really gets out and my strands are free to breathe. Another one is bentonite clay, great conditioner, very mild for the hair, but it also, great cleanser, but it also conditions, amazing for the hair, and it's very mild. So I love that stuff. Being mindful of ingredients, you want to make sure that your ingredients don't have a bunch of fragrance in it. You want to make sure that your ingredients don't have a bunch of words that you can't necessarily pronounce. I usually, as far as my ingredients are concerned, or my products, I look at the first 3 ingredients, and if they sound good to me or they look good, then I'm going to try that product out. Typically the first 3 ingredients are what is mainly put into that product. So you really want to make sure that you're giving your hair the proper nutrients and not the wrong ingredients, stuff that it does not need, you know what I'm saying, and stuff that would eventually damage your hair. A lot of people don't realize that when we continuously use products we're not supposed to use, that was when our hair causes breakage and it gets damaged. Okay, so you want to make sure, just because you don't see something wrong the first time, over time you're probably going to see your hair act differently, or you're going to probably see your hair dries more, or you're probably going to see that there's more product buildup. And so these are the things that you want to avoid. Okay, next, trim your hair regularly. I typically trim my hair at least twice a year, sometimes 3 times. It depends on how my ends are looking, but typically my hair, I know, like my hair just starts looking like a little raggedy. I'm like, you know what, let me just trim these ends. I'm telling you guys right now, it makes such a big difference, because when you have split ends, that hair is just going to keep splitting up. It's going to keep splitting up, and your hair is it's gonna break off. Okay, a lot of times we think that if we trim our hair, then our hair is not gonna grow, and that is actually false. Okay, it's more so the more you trim your hair, those fresh ends have to grow. So trimming your hair regularly, guys, I would at least say twice a year. That is my suggestion. You don't have to listen to me, but I'm telling you what, like, yes, natural ingredients. So that includes DIYs, natural foods, and natural clays. So as you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, and not only that, if you follow my YouTube, you guys have seen that I've started to do more natural ingredients. So we have our aloe vera leaf, which, yo, my hair loves it. And guys, it's like $2.99. Like, it not only is it cost effective, but your hair loves this product. Okay, it conditions it, it shines, it helps with breakage. Like, I use aloe vera gel probably like every time I pre-poo. It's not a joke, because I really can tell the difference. Naturally 85 got me on that. Definitely go watch her videos, and I have one up as well, which I will link, but I will definitely like recommend you guys to watch Naturally 85, Curly Proverbs. They're the ones that have started to get me on to like more natural ingredients, and I'm telling you, it's just so much better for your hair. You really see the difference, and it's cost effective. It's amazing. So another thing is like bananas. You can use bananas. Make sure you get a strainer. Avocado's amazing. You can do honey, a flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel is the bomb. I think what I'm going to do is a top 10 natural ingredients, because I don't think anyone's done that. So I think that'll be super cool to show you guys natural ingredients that you can put as in conditioners. And if you guys want, you can get a preservative and put it into that batch, and it's going to last you way longer than you think. I had my first batch, and that's lasted me almost like a month. So it's like I don't even need to mix anything together. I just take my batch, I put it in my hair, and we're good to go. Okay, so I definitely would recommend you guys using more natural ingredients, because you can't go wrong with natural. Number 7 is scalp massages. So that's also including hot oil treatments for your scalp. Your scalp, every time you massage your scalp, it's basically stimulating your blood flow, and it's going to help your hair grow at the end of the day. So I would recommend definitely doing scalp massages, even if you're just chilling watching your show. Like, get your oil and just do a scalp massage for like 3 to 5 minutes, and you won't even notice. Or you guys can get those little massagers for the scalp. They're like $5. That'll be really awesome too. Last but not least, we're going to talk about nighttime routine. So if you guys watched my video prior to this, I talked about nighttime routine as well. There's a few things that I'm going to repeat because they're just that serious. So if you guys are like, you already said that, well, that's because it's serious. Okay, so nighttime routine, this is not something you can skip. Okay, like, I understand you might not want to wear a bonnet, but listen, they have cute bonnets, they have cute scarves. You need to throw your hair in that little pineapple, throw it in a bonnet, and honestly, just go to sleep. Or you can also get a satin pillowcase, which is great too. Even though people, I would still recommend, even if you get a satin pillowcase, you still need to have a scarf and do the pineapple method, or you need to get a bonnet. You will thank me later, okay? Because you really want to understand, when we lay down, our hair is literally rubbing against unwanted fabric. and your hair is already delicate. Your ends are already delicate. So what do you think is going to happen over time if your hair is constantly rubbing against fabric that it shouldn't be? It's going to cause breakage, okay? And we sleep every night. So it's these things, and they're really small things that I know you guys aren't aware of, and that's why I'm bringing this knowledge to you. And the more you're aware of knowledge as far as it pertains to taking care of your hair and prepping your hair, the better equipped you will be. And I think that a lot of you will not be as frustrated with your hair when you simply just learn your hair and really fall in love with your hair. And that's the only way that you're really going to want to take care of your hair. I want you guys to fall in love with your hair like I'm in love with my hair, and that's why I make these videos for you guys, because I understand that our hair is not easy, but if we love it and we condition it and we take care of it, literally it will love us back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to see you guys next week. And please comment down below. Let me know what you guys are going to work on this week. Let me know what you guys are going to work on next week, because you know we have like a month in the house, so you guys can be taking care of your hair. And then also don't forget to share this video. I want basically people just to learn about their hair. I want everyone to learn about their hair. So if anyone you know would benefit from this video, go ahead and share it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget, healthy hair is good hair. All right, guys, I'll see you next time. And don't forget, stay dope.